Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel Lessons, your simplest way to reach excellence in Microsoft Excel. My name is Pradeep. I have over 15 years of experience in teaching Microsoft Excel. So let's see what we are learning today. So let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Lessons. I will show you one of the coolest formulas that Microsoft Office 365 has introduced recently in 2022. Say I've given a table here and I have a problem statement. What is a problem statement is I have a text here which is very complex, but I need to extract them into separate words. There are multiple delimiters here. One is a dollar symbol, one is an underscore, backslash, forward slash. Okay, there are 5 strings here. That is, one is a state name, state pin code, 2 phone numbers are there, and the email address of an employee is also there. But how do we extract this in a one single formula? If we go to if we use text to columns, it is one of the tedious jobs, and probably the strings what is available here may not be standard all the time. Okay, having said that, I'll show you one of the most powerful formulas, which is text split. Okay, let's get started. How do we do this? Use a formula text split, open the bracket, and the first argument is text. So what are we trying to split here? So I will select the text, and here there are two things. One is a column delimiter and the row delimiter. So here we are extracting the words into different columns. So what I do is, in a column delimiter I use I use a dollar symbol here to illustrate first thing, and row delimiter we are not splitting anything into rows, so we can ignore this and ignore empty cells and close the bracket. See what happened here is, because I have given dollar symbol, I was able to extract the entire string into two things. One is anything before dollar symbol and anything after dollar symbol, right? So but this is not what we wanted, correct? We wanted to split the entire string into 5 different words. How do we do that? I'll delete this, type it again, is equal to text split, open the bracket and select the text here, and now we have multiple delimiters. So what I do is I open flower bracket. Within this I will give a dollar symbol as a first delimiter, my second delimiter is underscore, and the third delimiter is a backslash, fourth is forward slash. Okay, and I'll close the bracket, comma, and row delimiter we can ignore this, ignore empty cells and close the bracket and get it. See, we got the LA Los Angeles and the pin code number, 2 phone numbers we got, and email address we got it in a separate columns. And all you need to do is just drag this formula down, copy this, paste. So isn't it very cool? Okay, so with this we will go to the next scenario, and that will be even more interesting. Okay, the problem statement here is I have a list of 100 employees combined in a single cell. Okay, I need to extract these 100 employees separately into different columns. That's the first scenario. I need to sort these all employees from A to Z, arrange in a column wise, in a row wise, in a single column. And the third most interesting scenario is I need to sort all these employees, 100 employees, within a single cell alphabetically and arrange in the same format, which is very tedious, isn't it? Okay, now let's solve all these problems in a simple formula. So first thing, how do I split all these employees in a row format? Is equal to text split. Now what is the text I'm trying to extract is text here. If you want to separate this in a column wise, so I will give column delimiter as comma, and I close the bracket and enter. See, I get all 100 employees arranged in a columnar format here. Okay, that was our first scenario. Now let's take a look at the second scenario. I'll delete this. Is equal to text split, open the bracket, select the text, comma. Now we want to arrange everything in a row format, that is in a single column. So I ignore the column delimiter by using comma, and now row delimiter I will give a comma here and close the bracket. See, we got 100 employees arranged in a single column, 100 rows. We solved two problem statements here. Now, what is our next problem statement? I want everything to be sorted from alphabetical order. So I don't want James to come in the front. I can wrap this formula in a sort function. Sort, open the bracket. So the result is an output, comma, sort index, I'll give 1 because we have only one column. Sort order, I will give it ascending order, so A to Z. Then by column, so we have only one column, and we have to arrange this sort by row. Okay, I'll sort by row, hit enter. See, now I got able till Yuki. So we have arranged them, we have sorted all this in a alphabetical order. Now the next most important and a problem statement, do I sort the entire 100 employees in a single cell and arrange them in a single cell again alphabetically, is equal to text split. First thing, we need to separate them, text comma, and I will let me arrange them in a column delimiter itself in a columnar wise. Then I will ignore this, click enter. See, I got all this. This is the first step. First I need to separate them in a separate columns. Second thing, we need to wrap this in a sort function. Sort function, array is an output, sort index number is 1, sort order is ascending, and we want to sort. Okay, so we did a sort by column here. Now we got the second problem statement, that we have arranged everything in a columnar wise. And now the third part is we need to combine everything again in a same single cell. How do we do that? Yes, we can wrap this entire formula in a function called text join. Text join, open the bracket. First is a delimiter. I want to give delimiter as comma, then again comma, ignore empty cells. Yeah, we don't have any empty cells as well, so it's okay. So we'll give it as true, so ignore empty cells, and then close the bracket. See, now what I got is sorted everything in a single cell. I will paste this as paste special values. See, we had 100 employees in a single cell, and the same result is sorted and we arranged them back in a single cell. Isn't it so cool, friends? Hope you all like this video, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe, share my channel, and let me know what you feel about this formula in the comments section. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.